Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this simple cutout I Heart You design card. The supplies you'll need are cardstock or paper for the base of your card. I chose white for this variation, and then two different contrasting colors for the kind of background of the cutout design, an X-Acto knife or kind of small paper scalpel that I have here, a pencil, and then also a pair of scissors to actually cut the paper out. So to start, I drew out the design in pencil, as you can see here, started by drawing the heart, and then I wrote out the I Heart You letters, and then also I drew the two smaller hearts. As you can see, you don't have to draw it correctly the first time around. I always kind of go back, make some edits until I have the design right and how I like it. And again, this is pencil, so it's really easy to kind of modify things as you go, change things up, easily erase it, and keep trying until you have it just the way that you like. Then open up the card so you don't cut the back of the card, and use whatever implement you choose to cut out the design. So as you can see here, I'm using that small scalpel that I have to trace around the pencil line that I had previously drawn. Then I use nail scissors to cut out the rest of the design, again starting with bigger chunks and pieces and then working to more detailed cuts as I went. And continue doing that until you've finished cutting out everything. Next, I grabbed the contrast color paper that I wished and cut a small piece out of it to place just in that small cutout or accent on the heart on the card design. And so once you have that small piece, I flipped the card over, I put some glue on the heart, and then I stuck that small piece there and glued that on first. Then I put glue on the back of the design as well, and I spread it out using a small sheet of paper so that I had a nice even layer. Then once I'd finished putting all the glue on the back of the card, I glued the red cardstock paper onto it. I aligned it up with the bottom edge and the left-hand edge of the red cardstock to just save myself some cutting, and then I basically pressed down the white cardstock paper. I used actually the kind of bottom end of the glue stick to kind of press everything down. I found that worked quite well in this situation, and then you don't risk transferring any oils or color or pigment from your hands onto the white cardstock. Once you finish that, you want to trim off the excess red cardstock. Here again, I used that small paper scalpel that I have to just trace along kind of the edge of the white cardstock. And I did that on both sides. And that is it. You are done. Again, this is a really simple, easy, and fast card to make, but it's unique due to the cutout detail and also contrast color on the heart accent. I hope you enjoyed this video and happy crafting.